Well, Simphiwe Makhanya is part of our reporting team in court today following the story of Zandile Gumede for us. Simphiwe, good evening to you. What is the Mayor's reaction to this decision to actually postpone her case? What is she saying tonight?
Good evening to you, Stephen. Good evening to the viewers of The Full View. Well, the eThekwini Mayor was very confident today, appearing in court for the second time, facing charges of fraud, corruption and racketeering. What she did say, Stephen, is that she does not oppose the extension, or rather the postponement of the case, but she was very unhappy about the manner in which the NPA has been handling the issue, saying that up until now, she has not been formally informed about the nature of the charges that she's facing, saying that the NPA was actually acted in a manner that is actually not in accordance with the rules, saying that she was not supposed to have been arrested when in fact there is no direct link in terms of the charges that she's facing. When she addressed the supporters outside court this afternoon, Stephen, she was very confident, saying that she remains innocent, emphasizing the fact that whatever actions that she, together with her co-accused, Councillor Mondli Mthembu, did when they were in the municipality of eThekwini, they did those actions being guided by the branches of the ANC in the eThekwini region. Stephen.
Is she saying, and from what she said to her supporters, is she claiming there's any kind of political motive to these charges against her? Is she sort of going there?
A lot of his supporters, Stephen, are actually alluding to that effect, saying that we do know that the eThekwini region of the ANC is the country's biggest region, and therefore the region has been disbanded recently. She was the chairperson up until recently, and therefore there is that political sort of ploy to get rid of her, because they will be going to a conference very soon.
The magistrate today appeared to relax her bail conditions. How important is that for Zandile Gumede, and particularly her role, her responsibilities, her legal duties as mayor of eThekwini?
Well, Stephen, some would say it's not really relaxing the bail conditions, because what the magistrate did there was to say that the suspended mayor of eThekwini, Zandile Gumede, and her co-accused Mondli Mthembu are allowed to actually follow the rules of the Municipal Finance Management Act when interacting with the staff from the supply chain management as well as the finance department, because you are aware that some of the bail conditions that were imposed on her actually state that she was not supposed to be in communication with staff members in those various departments, including finance, the supply chain, as well as the law department in the eThekwini municipality.
And Simphiwe, the ANC in KwaZulu-Natal, they had a big meeting over the weekend. They didn't decide whether she should leave office or whether she should stay. They just extended her special leave. That was their decision. Are we expecting more movement on that? Perhaps another meeting this weekend? Definitely,
Stephen. The party's provincial executive committee will be sitting this coming Sunday to actually once and for all decide on the fate of the embattled eThekwini mayor, along, of course, with other senior leaders of the party, including the Newcastle mayor, who also finds himself in a very much similar predicament. The PEC, up until today, Stephen, has not been able to actually take a decision on this matter, because we are informed by some of our sources there that there are very deep divisions even among members of the provincial executive committee. Hence, we find a situation where the eThekwini mayor has been on special leave for more than a month now. But this coming Sunday, the ANC did emphasize the fact that a decision will be made on her future.
It does seem to be a very difficult decision for the ANC in KwaZulu-Natal. In some ways, as you suggest, there are deep divisions on this issue.
Certainly, there are very deep divisions, Stephen, because the eThekwini mayor is actually the former chairperson of the eThekwini region, which is the country's biggest region of the ANC nationally. So they are basically saying, her supporters are basically saying that there is a plan to get rid of her ahead of that conference, to ensure that she is not in office, and also to ensure that she does not emerge as the chairperson of the region when it goes to the to conference in the near future.
Simphiwe Makhanya, thank you very much indeed for your time tonight. Do appreciate it. Part of our SABC reporting team on that story today.